Okay. Tell me again, please.
Okay, you see the screen now, right?
Yeah, I see.
Okay, this is the old page, the live page that they have now, right?
Yeah.
So he want to. This is made by Ionos server themes.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a free template that they have, and now he want to have like a WordPress,
Yeah.
and they want to have the products like a catalog. They don't want to sell online, but they want to have the WooCommerce like a catalog, right?
Catalog system.
Yeah. So
Okay.
the page, the reference page that they like is this one. Okay.
Oh, this is your this client reference website.
Yeah, he likes this page
Okay.
because it's very clean and modern, right?
Yeah.
We don't need to have the same, but
Okay.
what we like to have is this layout for the product.
Okay.
Okay, so when they click there, they go to the product, okay, and they have the description here,
Yeah.
okay, without price and without add to cart,
Yeah.
and the information of each product, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this page has only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 category.
Yeah.
And in each category, they have the image like this, right?
Yeah.
So it's a old website, right?
Yeah.
So what we need is to make a WooCommerce site with catalog.
Yeah.
Right? So they are going to make nice pictures like this.
Okay.
So we can build the site with the information that they have now, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is a new project. It's a new client. I don't know him. He just called me now from a reference from another client.
Yeah.
And he is, it's a very easy website.
Yeah.
But
This is
I would like to work with you on this from the beginning, right?
yeah.
So we need, I want to help you with this website. We don't have many budget because, as you see here, is a very small client.
Yeah. I understand.
Yeah, he want to have a nice website. Okay, so that is the reason that I would like to talk to you about this website. So the theme that they are using here, let me see, I forget the name of the theme. I forget the name of
user search Google. Search in Google. Theme check.
Where? Here?
WordPress theme check.
Sorry?
WordPress theme check. WordPress.
WordPress.
Yeah, WordPress.
Okay. Now I understand you.
Yeah, go to first page and check. Just put this your link.
Normally I read the code and I get it. This is easier.
Yeah.
I don't know. Never use it.
Yeah, I always use, and I use lot of website and Chrome extension checking what to see. Yeah. Yeah, and see plugin and everything.
And you see the plugins that they use there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so okay, sober.
Yeah, so yeah, this is nice thing. I like it.
Have you used it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
maybe we can use it, or we can. I don't know. What do you think? For me, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
They don't want to have add to cart and this, so we need to the catalog plugin.
Yeah.
So I think it will be easy. How you build this with Elementor? Let me see.
I am easy. I build this. Please see. Elementor.
Yeah.
And using this theme, Sober theme.
Okay. So it will be easier for you if we buy the theme. You like to do it like this?
Yeah, I like this theme.
Okay. Okay, so I will buy it.
Okay.
Well, the client will buy it.
Okay.
And I will send you the products so you can upload the products.
Yeah. Okay.
And we can change.
And you give me WordPress login information or cPanel login information? Which one?
We don't have it now. We don't have it. He's going to call me back on Friday.
Oh, now I am working my server.
Now we are going to wait till they confirm that he want to do it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and then we can start because we don't have any information about them. Okay.
Hey. Yeah. Okay.
So, but I will send it to you.
Okay.
I will send it to you, so we can do that.
Okay.
I don't know how many products they have.
Brother, it's very simple website. You just cool. I can do. You are exactly same to same, and buyer happy.
Okay.
Okay.
I will do that.
When you have information and you just call me, you just text me. I'm waiting your reply. Okay.
For
your
what?
next project. Your next project.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
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 Bye
Bye.
bye.